Namaste to everyone. A very grand welcome to this weekend's Mahabharat. Yes, in the last video we have seen the topic Israel and Palestine conflict, the history of Israel and the history of Palestine, what was happening between these two, the so-called maybe the future countries. So in this video, in this weekend, we are going to discuss about a new topic, and I have purposefully made this topic, chose this topic, and that is, before going into the topic, let us have a small 1 to 2 minutes bite from my side, the new introduction of the topic. చరితలోని సారమిదే భవితలోని భావమిదే వీరగాథ విజయగాథలెన్ని భిన్న మూలమిదే వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం వందే మాతరం. Yes, Vande Mataram to everyone. I think you might all have understood the topic, that is Indian history. Yes, I thought to start the Indian history in a, not to pick the topics, general issues like here and there without any a better arrangement of topics, but to have a screen off to that mode of video lecturing. Now I am going to start a very systematized series of Indian history. I want to make you all introduced to Indian history, the very beautiful, glorious Indian history. See, if we have to see the Indian history, first of all, the term India itself is not our own term. It has been given, it has been, gifted, let's say, by the European people. So we have lot of different names like Bharat. Bharat is one of the names that we have. India is the European gift to us, and we also have the name Hindustan. So lot different names will be there. People will be called themselves on their own terms. So what is the actual name of the country? Actual name of the country, who should decide that? When did this name come up? India. Before that, what was the name of the country? So these are the different questions we have. So in Indian history, if you just dig in that time, you will get all the answers to these questions. So let me tell you that Indian history is one of the beautiful experience that we are going to have, and just believe in me that I am going to make a very good recipe out of it. Ancient history, we have to start with ancient history. After that, we will move on to the medieval history, and then we come to the modern history. After that, post-modern, that is post-independence, and till today, till 2021, just before 1 year, I call it as a very, very, very recent history, contemporary history. So, till today we are going to discuss from ancient times. So, just wipe the dust off your shelves of your books and be ready with me to, this beautiful journey of Indian history. And thank you for watching. Keep waiting.